ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Stone Boiler online broadcast. My name is Fiona, Marketing Manager of Stone Boiler International Business Department. It's my great honor to be here to have this opportunity to show our factory and products for you today. And before we begin, we would like to offer you us sympathy to those who have lost their families, members, and friends to COVID-19. You are in our thoughts and our hearts in this difficult time. Okay, firstly, I'd like to give you a brief introduction of our company. Stone Boiler was founded in 1968 and located in Stone Town, Taikang County, which enjoyed the reputation of China's central boiler base. More than 30 boiler manufacturers are gathering here, this Taikang County. We Stone Boiler are a family business enterprise, and as the leading Grade A boiler manufacturer, we donated many times during the pandemic to give more support from us. This is our gate. Please come in. Stone Boiler developed very fast in these years, and now we already have 3 factories. The first one is born in Stone Town, so that's why I also named our company Stone Boiler. The first factory covers 1,000 square meters and mainly produce coal and biomass-fired boilers. Now we are here is our second factory, mainly produce the oil gas-fired boilers and some oil boilers and electricity boilers. Later you will see more products in our workshops. And the third factory focuses on steam generators, which less than 1 tonnage per hour, mainly used for laundry, hotels, and so on. By the way, I'd like to stress that under the government support, the only one innovation center of Henan province is under construction in the 3rd plant. Once finished, all advanced boiler technology and the latest design were generated there. Okay, let's go to our main house building. This is our main office building. Hello guys, you may also note that we are good supply on Alibaba for 8 years. 2 years ago, and now we are Alibaba on Alibaba 10 years. Okay, we are here now. Welcome to our broadcast again. You can say Welcome to the 127. Oh, hello. Hello, guys. This is, we are lucky we meet our owner, Mr. Feng. Mr. Feng, could you please say hello to friends? He's also the president of Taikang Boiler Institute. Mr. Feng is very easygoing and gorgeous. Say something. Oh. Okay, thank you. He also gives us many support in our works. Okay, we will go to the first floor firstly. Okay, please come in. This is our honorary certificate. And coming into view is our remote monitoring center. We can monitor all the boilers of our clients to see the boiler running conditions. Okay, let's move into it. Okay, please come in. Okay, here's the remote monitoring center. If any abnormal, we can inform our client and get them to handle some urgent issues. Moreover, for our clients, they can also download the app in PC and mobile phone to check the boiler running situations. Hello, my colleague Lisa, could you please give me that page? This is a situation that from our clients, and you can see here's the mobile phone. And here is the running situation and the data. Okay. Thank you. Could you give a camera for this? Okay. Now let's move into our VIP reception room. Okay, please. Hello, guys. This is our reception room, the meeting room. Please come in. Hello, welcome. Previously, each week, 2 or 3 clients from different countries visit us. You can see out there are many photos. During the visiting, we take it. It's very clean and quiet, and it's suitable to have a technical and commercial discussion. Now, let's go to upstairs. There are technical department and chemical and physical laboratory on the upstairs. Okay, let's go. Here is our technical department. Let's have a quick look. Please come in. This is our chief engineer, Mr. Tian.
Hello.
Hello. Mr. Tian is very specialized in coal and biomass steam boilers or hot water boilers. He's an expert. And Mr. Liang is sensor engineer. He's very specialized in one-through boilers. Okay, let's move to the chemical and physical department, the library. Let's have a short look. There. That engineer is Mr. Feng. He specialized in quality test. Okay, let's go. You can see in the remote monitoring center, our owner and sensor managers, they are watching the video of our factory. Okay, let's go to our workshop. Actually, yesterday here is heavy raining, but today it's just cloudy, so the weather is good for us today, and it is suitable. is the welding test center. You know, welding is the most important in the boiler process. Actually, our plant is the organizer to organize the test. Once the wider they pass the test, and we will issue the certificate. Okay, now let's go to the workshop. She is my colleague Coco, and she will show you around of the workshop later. Hello, Coco. Say something.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Coco. It's my honor to show you our workshop later. Maybe my colleague Fiona already mentioned this workshop is mainly for the oil gas boiler. But don't worry if you are interested in our coal and biomass boiler. There are also have in stocks. And in this afternoon, my colleague will introduce in details. Okay, let's go now. Have some boiler outside. Wait for the package and some wait for delivery. Today is really a good weather. You know, yesterday we have the heavy rain. Now I can't wait to go to the inside. Oh, here we are. This is our auto cutting machine. The plate. This is our auto cutting machine. The steel plate will cut automatically and precisely. It's imported from America. Now it's working. Okay, let's continue. This is our second auto cutting machine. In front of us is our finished product area. Usually for the common model like 1 ton, 2 ton, 3, 4 ton, we usually have many in stocks. Can deliver within 3 to 5 days to meet the customer urgent needed. Okay, let's have a look. This is a 4-ton oil gas boiler, and later my colleague Fiona will give introduction in details. Okay, now we continue. This is a 6-ton, a 2-ton. Okay, I'd like to introduce our electric boilers. For this type of boiler, most are in export to Ethiopia because the electricity almost free in their country. Because okay, and these all are the electric boiler. The inside is heating tubes. As we know, the power consumption is really high. For a 1-ton capacity, it will be 700 kilowatt per hour. Okay, there are some wooden box. It's already packaged. It's waiting for the delivery now. Okay. Okay, let's go. As we know, the welding is the most important process for the boiler. So I would like to show you our welding machine, okay? This place is for the welding, it's our automatic welding machine. Now it's not working now, but yesterday it's working. And they will use the automatic welding machine to weld the several part drums together. As we know, the different parts will have different welding modes, like the arc welding, like the groove welding. Okay. If you have any inquiries or any questions, please send a message below the screen and or leave your email ID. My assistant will contact you soon. You know, after welding, we will doing the inspection to check whether the welding is qualified. Let's see. This is our inspection area. During the boiler fabrication, there are more than 18 times the inspection process, like the 100 non-destructive inspection, X-ray inspection, and to check whether the welding is qualified. And all the results will show on our quality certificate, then send with the boiler together to our client. Here is a new product. It's just finished. It's our water tube double drum SZS series boilers. Later, I will give you the detailed introduction. It's 12 ton. The fuel is heavy oil and biogas. And will to export to Ghana this month. Okay. Now later we will come to our packing areas. But I'm worried they already finished the packing. Okay, here we are. They just finished the 2-ton oil gas boiler. Actually, yesterday they are doing the packaging. For the insulation material, we use aluminum silicate. The insulation grade is much better than the common type rock wool. Okay. It's maybe it's very noisy. All the workers is working. I'm not sure whether you can hear my voice. Please give me a like if you can. Okay, here are some semi-finished products. The oil gas type. Maybe you will have doubt why there are some rust on the boiler body. Because the material is carbon steel, so it's very reasonable. But don't worry, before packaging, we will remove the rust and doing the polishing, and also doing the anti-rust painting. Okay, later I want to show you our hydraulic test. After boiler body finished, we will doing the test. It's also very important. Okay, here we are. Now it's a coal and biomass boiler body inside. It's a wait for the hydraulic test. For the test, it will keep 20 minutes to with the higher grade pressure and to check whether there is any leakage. Our qualified rate is around 98%. It's very high. And if we found any leakage in the tubes, the workers will revise and then we will doing the hydraulic test again. If you have any interest, please send a message below the screen. My assistant will contact you later, okay? This is an 8-ton coal and biomass boilers. So in these afternoons, my colleague will introduce in details for you. Don't leave. Okay, now we will go to our some accessories workshop. For the boilers, from the material to the finished products, it's totally manufactured by ourselves, so we can guarantee the quality totally. And also there are some accessories we do it by ourselves. Oh, wait a moment. Now we come to the thread pipe production lines. I would like to introduce for you. This is designed by our engineers, and one workers will be okay. Before it's made by hand, but now it's automatically. It can guarantee the quality and efficiency. Okay, now have a look. This is the finished product. For this tube, there are two main advantages. The first one, the smoke will stay longer time in the tubes and to enhance the heat transfer. The second one is self-clean. You know, the smoke will go like this inside, and it can clean itself by itself. As far as we know, there are some European boilers and Turkish boilers that still use the bare tube. Now let our workers to show us how it works, okay? Okay, now our workers will put the bare tube. Then let's see how to change it to the thread pipe. Okay, do you see? Now the thread pipe is coming. Okay, come back. So it's the finished product. Okay, now this place, this area is our for our tubes. Now there is a boiler for delivery. They are loading the storage tank for the salmon oil boilers. It's for 6 million kilocalorie per hour. These are our chimneys and duct and the wet scrubber. They are loading now. You see, this is the storage tank, oil tank. Almost every day we have the delivery. It's very busy. Okay, now later we will come to our corrugated furnace area. This is also the tube materials in stock. Okay, let's see. This is corrugated furnace. These are the in stock. The corrugated furnace is the core part for the oil gas boiler. It's very important. It's also similar function with the fried tube. The flake will stay longer time in the furnace to enhance the heat transfer. Okay, you know, for this type, for the furnace, many factories they purchase this part from us. Even the India customer they come to buy. Now this is our corrugated furnace machine. The worker is working now. Later we will have a see. 这个可以开始了吧？走到头儿。Maybe we should wait several minutes. Also, I get feed from some client for the corrugated furnace. Some country or some brand they also still use the bare tube like the thread tube. They use the bare type. For the corrugated type, you with good efficiency. Okay, it will start soon. Please be patient and wait. Now we have a client visiting. It's domestic. Our owner will show them around. Now the virus is almost controlled in China, so we welcomed many clients visiting recently. And yesterday we just welcomed a 3-ton boiler customer inspection. Okay, do you hear the voice? It starts. Oh. When I first to see this machine, I think it's really amazing, you know. I'm not sure whether you can hear the voice. Actually, it's very loud. Many small factories they do not have this equipment, so they will purchase from us. later you will see the bare tube will change to a corrugated type. Okay, now we continue. In front of us is our boiler testing center. For our newly designed one-through type boiler, we will do the test for every set before delivery. Okay, now let's go and have a look. Also, some new models, we will also doing the test. Okay, now here we are. These are our newly designed one-through type steam boiler for the oil gas. And later we will go to another workshop. It's mainly for this type. You will see more models there. This type can generate steam very fast with 3 to 5 minutes and higher efficiency. And this is a ski-mounted type. The capacity is 1 ton. You can see it's already finished the installation in our workshop, and we'll deliver it to the Spanish this month. Okay, now we go to I would like to introduce our another machine, the big machine. This is our hydraulic pressing machine. The pressure capacity is 2,800 tons, and the biggest diameter we can do is 4 meters. Okay, you can see here some in stocks. Also for this part, manufacturers purchase it from us. This is another set. As I mentioned, the boiler from all the parts is fabricated by ourselves. So you no need to worry the quality. We can guarantee it totally for you. Okay, now the workshop almost finished now. Now we go to the outside. Okay, this is our another set pressing machine. The workers is doing the head now. It's almost higher than me. Okay, let's go. The air is very fresh because just raining yesterday. And look at that building. This apartment is for our workers, and many our workers they lived in our factory. You can see there are many trees surroundings. It's very good for eyes, right? And every our tree has its ID actually. Our workers will take care of his tree. Last time I introduced the trees to my client, he asked me, Coco, where is your tree? Uh, I have my tree, but because the foreign part department is a little far here, so I took over to my another colleague. He's take care instead of me. And my tree is an apple tree. I remember clearly. Now we will go to the 1 through type boiler workshop. It's far away. Actually, I may need a bike. And in front of us, there are two sets 15-ton oil gas boilers. It's under packing now. This is for our Philippine client. We'll finish it very soon and ship it at the end of this month. Later, I will give the detailed introduction about this boiler. It's different from the fire tube type. Let's have a look. Just now in the packaging area, we didn't see the insulation material. This is, I mentioned, the aluminum silicate with 120 mm. Okay. Here the insulation. This is another set. You can see for the packing, we will did the anti-rust painting. For these boilers, it's with the membrane wall. You can see the membrane water wall, the outside. It will with the good sealing performance and low heat loss. This is my 4th year to work in stone boilers, and actually the 2nd time. My first time because I have babies, then I leave, and when my son years old, I came back. I think I'm very lucky to have a chance to come back. I love stone very much. It's just like a family. Look here, it's the delivery for the 1 through type boilers. it's a 2-ton to Ukraine. When delivered, we will have water package to protect the boilers. Okay, now we are near to the workshop. For this type of boiler, it's very popular in the Europe and also in domestic, because as I mentioned, it can generate steam very fast. Okay, here we are. Here's some stocks. This is a 2-ton, and this is 4-ton. For this type boiler, as it's vertical, the maximum capacity is 4-ton. You can see before delivery, the boiler already almost finished the installation. It's a ski-mounted type. This is the control panel. And the water pump. For export, there will be 2 pumps, one for backup. This is the economizer with the fine tube. Efficiency is higher than the bare tube. Okay. This is the blower. Okay, let's go inside to see the equipment. These are the economizers we did by ourselves. It's ND steel and fine tube. This is the boiler body. It's one through type. The burner is on the top of the boiler. And this is the water tube. Because the water content is small in this boiler, so it can generate steam very fast. And it's very suitable for the brewery industrial and the laundry industrial, because it's easy to start and close and fast steam generation. This is our robot welding machine. Later, our workers will work it. Okay, the worker is busy now. We change it to another place. This is the thawing machine. For this type of boilers, many clients will order the several sets and run together. Now, I would like to introduce you our laser cutting machine. it can cut the plate more precisely. You can see here it's automatically the control panel to control it. Oh, good, it's working now. This is already finished. You can see the cutting is very neat and precisely. Okay, let's continue. This is our another set laser cutting machines. Okay, now we can have a look how it works. Now the worker is set the data and later will work. You know, last time I showed this machine to my client, before I never think it's very, how to say, it's very exciting, maybe this machine. But when my client saw it, he said, oh, Coco, you should show it to me. This is the most exciting machine. Okay, we can see it in details. For this cutting machine, the efficiency is much higher and more automatically. Okay, now let's go. This is our electric control panel area. For the control panel, we designed by ourselves, and it can be PLC with Schneider's elementary or Siemens elementaries. Okay, now you can see the screen. Everything like the steam pressure, the temperature is showed on these screens. It's very easy for our client. This is a hot water boilers. You can see one pump for backup. Okay, now we finished in the 1 screw type boiler workshop. Later, I will show you our accessories warehouse and spare part warehouse. Maybe you are tired now, but now that's faster. This place is for we deliver the box to wait how many times. Okay, now we come to our accessories warehouse. Okay, now we have a quick look. Here are some pumps and valves. Usually we will have many sets in stock, and before delivery, we will put all the valves together. Like that, we will put into the wooden box and package it. This is the pump, the feed water pump. We use the CNP brand. It's the least company in China, very famous. Here are the valves. Here are the blow down valves, the global valves. That are the safety valves. These valves we usually use the Zhengzhou Yuming brand. They are very professional for the valves. Okay, now let's go to our spare part warehouse. Oh, look, there is an apple tree, but it's not my tree. it's our spare part warehouse. We will store some flange, some guest. Let's have a look. This is the flange. Okay, here are some parts for install the boilers. And if customer required for the installation materials, we can equip the together with boiler. And here there are some rod and the gasket. Okay, now for our workshop show, it's finished. Now we go to the workshop to meet my colleague. He will give you a detailed introduction about the boilers. If you have any inquiries or any interest, please send a message below the screen. My assistant will reply you. The whole factory is with many flowers. It's with good smell. Look, this is our thermal oil boiler delivery. As I mentioned, it's 6 million kilocalorie per hour. It's coal and biomass boilers. Okay, now this is another door for our workshop. Okay. It's noisy again. Okay, she's waiting for our in another door. Let's go to find her. If you have any interest and query, please leave your email ID. My assistant will contact you, okay? I'm worried my assistant will be very tired today. This is our number 8 workshop. And number 9, number 10. Okay, my colleague Fiona will introduce you our fire tube boiler in details. Wait a moment, please.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. It's Fiona again. Now we are here in our workshop 10. Okay, let me start to have a brief introduction of the WNS. As we know that WNS is a very common and popular boiler type all over the world. And it is currently 15 standard models in our factories of this boiler type. Now let's go into the more details of WNS boilers. Okay, let's go. Just now, my colleague Coco show you around and how's it. I guess it is amazing, right? And she shows the many main components process machine like the corrugated tube process line and the corrugated furnace processing line and so on. Now we go to the to see some semi-finished WNS boiler. Okay. Okay, please. Now you can see here's a truck. Actually, every day we ship the goods from our factory about 2 to 6 units every day. Okay, here's the semi-finished WNS boiler. It's the boiler body without the packing. Now you can see maybe it is with some dust, but don't worry. Before delivery, we will remove the rust and polish again. And you can see. Okay, I have some pictures. You can see this after the rust, the anti-rust. We do some anti-rust and polish and printing before packing. WS boiler is 3 pass. What is 3 pass? You can see that here is the furnace. Here's the furnace, and then through the furnace to the where smoke box, and then to this short smoke tubes. Here we are welding the corrugated furnace, corrugated tubes. Sorry, and there and here we are welding the corrugated tubes of it. So here's the 3 pass. Okay, let's say something. WS boilers are widely used in many industries, such as the paper mill factory and food factory, refinery, timber mill, plywood factory, beverage packing machinery factory, textile and garments, AAC block, and so on. Here is also another finished boiler body. You can see this position is for burner. The burner could be better from Italy, Ecoflam, Riello, Hot Metal, and so on. According to the user's requirements, it can be equipped with burners that burn different fuels to adapt to the boilers, like natural gas, LPG, heavy oil, and diesel, and so on. This plate is the smoke box, front smoke box. Here some nuts. It is easy for open it to clean the ash, and fermentants. This position is for water level gauge. This position is for water level gauge. You can see here the cover. We protect the hole. It can open it to install the water level. Here is the real smoke box. It is also very easy to open it for maintenance and cleaning the ash. here this position is for the smoke gas outlets, like the chimney. And if you need the economizer, this position is also connected to the economizer. Oh, look at this. This is the anti-explosion door. And here's the how to watch the fire situation. Hello guys, you may consider that how to choose the boiler, how I know the boiler capacity, the steam temperatures, the steam pressure, and what about the boiler size, and if I need some boiler installation materials. First, how to choose the boiler capacity. Depends on the it is actually depends on the total steam demands of our heating equipment. You should also consider the peak or trough of the steam using. And it's better to leave a certain margin to determine the rated steam capacity. And how to choose the steam temperatures. It depends on your production line. The highest steam temperature of your production line you needed and you required. And we will according to your steam temperature to judge your steam pressure, or you can tell us the steam pressure. And about the boiler room size, you can ask our sales manager. We have many different boiler models of this WS type, and you can tell them if you have any limitation of the boiler room. Then we can give you a suitable boiler type. And about the installation materials, you may consider that if I need, yes, you really need, because the boiler materials is not in our standard configuration list. You need to ask our sales manager if you need it. Because according to our experience, some customers choose to buy themselves. Okay, let's go to the installed site. Okay, come on please. Here is the painting room. You can see here is the WS boilers waiting for painting. We can customize for customers the boiler outside painting. Look at this. Here's the workshop for storage the burner. We always stock some regular burner for our regular boiler models. You can see the brand Better and Riello. Yes, we have many stocks. It is totally originally imported from like Italy, from Italy. And it is worth to stress that we also have water pump storage. The water pump we use CNP brand. It's a top brand in China, very famous. You can see here some sampling cooler and steam hider and economizer. The steam hider and the economizer are made by observes. Okay, please. You see many processing around the way on the way to any. There are many materials. Yes, actually we cooperated with very domestic and young area mail company. It's we will guarantee the original materials to made this to manufacture this comment. Okay, we are here again. This is the 110 per hour boiler for outdoor customers. It is used for food factory. We can see that it is ski-mounted boiler type oiler. Already, it is welding in this foundation. Now we can see some details. It is a Border brand, very famous from Italy. We hope to help customers choose the most suitable boiler according to the actual situation and to equip the most reasonable auxiliary machine so as to avoid the huge waste caused by the wrong boiler selection from source. So you can see the PLC. According to the user's requirements, we equipped with Schneider comments. Schneider comments, and it is PLC, Siemens PLC. Okay, in the front of the boiler, we can see there's two pressure gauges. There's two pressure gauges. And here is the water level gauge. And this is the water level alarm. If any abnormal, this will connected to the PLC and will alarm. Here is our water inlet. To connect it, you can connect it to the boiler feed water pump. Okay, we are here. Feed water pump is CNP brand. I just said that it is very famous brand. Also, here are two pressure gauge. You can see that to keep the guarantee the safety. Here the circulating pump to connect the economizer. You can see here details. This is the blue down outlets. It is for blue down outlets. Here's also two safety valves. And this is the main steam valves. This. Okay, please come on. Sorry. Okay, now we are still standing in front of this boiler. You can see here's two pressure gauge, two water level gauge, and two safety valves. There are some safety valves we just said, and this boiler is equipped with pressure gauge, safety valves, thermometer, temperature sensor, and other boiler safety accessories and instruments. Equipped, and for the PLC, we also have the connection point of the low flow, over temperature, over pressure, and low pressure alarm device. And also equipped with outlet flue gas over temperature alarm device. It is worth to stress that the electric controller have interlock protection device function. Okay, let's move to another WS. Here is also another WS4, means 4 tons per hour. This is the platform ladder. If you need to check some situation of the upper, you can just go ahead to check the situation. Hey guys, you can see here's is totally different with other boilers. You can see here's burners. So that's why actually this boiler is not for customers. It's for our engineering team to research. So they open this just for research. We have very serious research department to upgrade our WS boilers. They have they are, this is the steam hider. You can see from now here's the steam outlet. Let's flank it to connect, and this way will be transfer. The steam will be transferred to the using machine. Here's the RO system. This is the water treatment. Generally, the brand is from America flag. There will be match with one flag machine, and will be this is a resin tank. Also, I have another salt tank. Oh, this is a water pump again. You can see it's stainless steel materials. Okay. So I just share with you the safety, some safety accessories, and now let me share you some glue down for remove the dust. Now here is a manhole. Here is a manhole, and at the bottom of boiler, there are also four holes for handheld. And before I shared with you that the front and the rear smoke box can open it to clean the ash. Okay, if you still have any questions about WNS boilers, please contact us, and our sales manager will contact you and share you more details about WNS. Here's Hyder, just Coco share with you these materials and these comments. The corrugated furnace. This corrugated furnace is used for the WNS boiler type. present, actually our design is based on the different requirements of domestic and foreign customers. There are two designs. One is the standard type I just show you, and another is the low nitrogen condensing type. This is mainly due to the different emission and efficiency requirements. For example, the current situation in Chinese market due to the environmental protection requirements. Many cities of China require nitrogen oxide O2 emissions below 30 milligrams per cubic meters. So many domestic WS condensing boilers are used and popular, which can achieve 104% efficiency, and it is very popular in China. Can save the fuel. We can also meet more relaxed emission requirements, such as 80 milligram per cubic meters and 120 milligrams. Just please let us know. If no special requirements, we can also provide the most suitable boiler type. WS boiler type is game over. Sorry, it's over, not game over. Okay, my colleague Coco will tell you more details about SVS water tube boilers later. And please, Coco.
Hello everyone, it's me, Coco again. And it's my pleasure to introduce our SDS series water tube boilers. This is a 12-ton. The fuel is heavy oil and biogas. We'll deliver it to Africa this month. This type we call the water tube double drum, and also we call it D type. Okay, I will show you. Looks like a letter D, right? This is two paths. It consists of the two drums. Okay, this is the upper drum, and this is the lower drum. And also the convection tubes is here, and the membrane water wall. Maybe you remembered I showed you. You remembered I showed you outside. There is the membrane water wall inside. The tube is welded by the plate steels, and this will be good sealing performance and low heat loss. So it will save the fuel consumptions and with higher efficiency. For this type boiler, the efficiency is around 98%. Different from the fire tube, it's two paths. Okay, let's have a show. This place is for the boner, and for the boner there are many options for the brand, like the Belter, Rello, Wishot, or Hofemat. We can also provide the boner as customer required brand. From here, the flame will go behind. This area we call the first pass. It's the radiation area, and then the smoke will come back from this place. We call the convection area. It's the second pass. Finally, the flue gas will come from here. connect with the economizer and chimney. Okay, for this boiler, it's suitable for the diesel, heavy oil, natural gas, LPG, LNG, or biogas, and so on. We can recommend the suitable burners according to the customer requirements. Now I would like to introduce you our safety assurance. As we know, the safety always goes first, right? First, there are three safety accessories. Here is the place for the water level gauge to show the water level inside, and top of that there is the for the pressure gauge, and this two places is for the safety valves. These three accessories will guarantee the boiler running safely, and also for the whole system, it has automatic control, like the water level intelligent control, the steam pressure control, and higher water lower, and low water level alarming system and interlock protection. Also the super high steam pressure alarming and interlock protection. What's more, on the top of the chamber, there we equipped with the anti-explosion door. If the pressure is very high inside, the anti-explosion door will open automatically and release the pressure to guarantee the safety. So don't worry, we already consider all for you. Safety is the important. Now you may have questions. What's the advantages for this type compared with the fire tube? For this tube, if your capacity is more than 20 tons, it will be water tube. And also, this type is a higher efficiency and good steam quality and the good water circulations. Okay, let's have a whole look about it, because this month he will be delivered. Okay, for now, the first broadcast in this morning is end. And thanks for watching and listening. This afternoon, my colleague will give introduction about the coal and biomass boiler. Okay, thanks for your listening. We will see you later. Okay, bye bye.